Today I'm going to be building another low-cost, high-profit build, and you can build 3 of these for about the price of a Starbucks coffee, which says more about Starbucks than it does about this project. So let me show you how to build it real quick, and then I'll show you what it does. To get started, I'll just be using some scrap wood. This is about 12 by 8 piece of wood. Use a paint can or anything round like this, and then use it to trace around it onto the piece of wood. Now just take one of those wood dowels and spray some gold paint onto it. Then once it's dry, cut it to about 10 inches in length. Then cut about a 2.5 inch by 3 inch piece of wood. Now just clamp down the piece of wood from earlier, and I'll use a jigsaw to just cut out the circle. Then you can use some 120 grit sandpaper to sand it down. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe for more. Now go ahead and stain them with your choice of stain. Now let them dry. This is the Hachika 180 watt rotary tool. It comes with over 170 different accessories, making it extremely versatile for all kinds of projects. It's easy to use and very beginner friendly. I'm keeping things simple in this video since I'm still getting familiar with it, but I've already been having a lot of fun using it. It features an on and off switch with adjustable speed control, so you can adjust the power depending on the task that you're doing. One of my favorite features is the flexible shaft attachment. It gives you much better control and makes engraving more comfortable since you're not holding the full tool. For this project, I engraved a gaming controller with a lightning icon next to it into a piece of wood. This rotary tool is both great for both basic and advanced projects. You can drill, cut, sand, polish, engrave, grind, and even sculpt. Whether you're a beginner, hobbyist, or professional, this is a solid and affordable tool that can really elevate your work. I'll definitely be using it for future projects. And thanks to Hachika for sponsoring this video. Now take the golden piece of wood from earlier and glue that to the bottom piece, the round piece right here. And then you'll take the top piece, the square one, and then glue that to the top. And that's it. Now I'll show you what it does. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe. And I also have more videos on my channel you can go check out too.